We're in the Honda today. Me and Scott's back there. Taking a trip across the strait. It is actually straight across the state. Here we are. Welcome. Finally made it. Wow. Well, we had to stop and fuel up, take a little break. This is our destination anyway, Daytona Beach. But I forgot that the Buc-ee's opened up here, and I've always wanted to check out a Buc-ee's. I hear great things. This place is massive. This place is insane. They have everything here. And I've heard that before. I've heard that they have everything here. We got full-on food, kind of like a Wawa around here, but times maybe 50. This is so big. Hey. Some home decor here. Quite a bit of it. That reminds me of a Cracker Barrel. Look good on the front of the van suit. You can even use your own shopping cart. Never been to a gas station with a shopping cart. Speaking of gas, there are so many gas pumps out there. We already filled up. I use ethanol free, and they have many ethanol free pumps here. Oops, sorry, dude. A lot of people in here too. Took us about 4 hours, but we went from there to here. Oh, right about in here, I guess. It's cooler. I found the Buc-ee's section of Buc-ee's. Everything in here is Buc-ee themed. Buc-ee's blankets, pillows, sweatshirts, stuffed animals. Well, the snakes aren't Buc-ee's themed, but everything else in this area, including the pajama bottoms. Buc-ee's onesies. She says that they're out of the adult-sized onesies, so I can't buy one for myself today.
Darn.
I'd look good in one though.
Absolutely. You can pull it off.
Every fine dining set should have a Buc-ee's wine glass set to go along with it. Are you a beaver believer? I am. I think it's a bikini. Yep. Oh, I think these are hilarious. Buc-ee's bikini tops. There's one thing I know for sure that I love about Buc-ee's. These little cookies right here, the mini cookies. I've never had anything quite like these in my life. And up until now, I have not had access to these. They were only given as gifts. I can buy as many as I want now. Though I want more than probably what they have on the shelf. I'll only be buying one. That is a lot of jerky. Holy cow. Should I go ahead and try it? It would be weird to show you inside the bathroom there, so I'm not going to do that, but there was a big hallway with art in it, and then you walk into the men's restroom and there's just, it looks like you're in a baseball stadium or something. It's probably the largest bathroom I've seen outside of a stadium. And the other half of the Buc-ee's, well, quarter of the Buc-ee's is your standard gas station stuff. Love pickled eggs. Got a lot of barbecue sauce, meat rubs, cotton candy, kinds of stuff. My hands are full, but I'm gonna. There's probably 50 people working in this gas station right now. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Thanks, man. Success.
What'd you get?
Some gummy bears, pickled quail eggs.
Ooh.
Yep. Some pickled beets. Good times.
Sounds good.
A little bit of a windy day today here on what I think was the main drag or Daytona proper.
It is literally Main Street.
Main Street is what it's called. Just walking around, checking it out here in Daytona Beach. Pretty cool place. Looks like I'll have to stop at a John's. Notice I'm wearing my favorite current Grateful Dead shirt and my Shuffleboard Championship pin. Of course, all week, maybe next month. Hello, how? Friends, I walked into the coolest shop. John's. This, if you're a deadhead, you need to come and go out of your way to find this shop. This is really rad. Thanks a lot, John, for
Anytime, guys. You know what? I've been doing this a long, long time, and I always tell people, mi casa, su casa. If you come down to Main Street Daytona, we treat you like family, because this is what we do. We live this life. We don't just sell the stuff like a lot of shops. We'll live it, and we breathe it. So come on down, man.
awesome
Peace.
place. Thanks a lot, John. See ya.
Anytime.
So what's going on in Oregon these days?
Oh God, little this, little that. Into our summer season now.
Hey, kitty.
No.
Kitty hats.
Right in the over the next beach.
Yeah.
She said, yeah.
I'm sure.
And the vest, I had 45, so I started selling these. You put a 45 in the pocket of these.
Carol the cat lady was very nice, and Lisa got wind of this motorcycle made of bones, so we had to come and take a look at it. There it is. A little bit of an underbite there. Looks legit though. In BHD years, before Harley Davidson, this bike was made and is now the oldest bike in the world, they say. This guy might have wrote that story. I'm not sure. I was telling the ladies a little bit earlier that my Sunday school teacher, when I was a kid, used to call me Daytona. So every time I see the signs when I'm passing by it or whatever, I think of Daytona. And Daytona is a really nice town. Thanks for joining my friends and I for a day of exploring the east coast of Florida. Beautiful Daytona Beach. We had a great time here, but it's time to move on. You're not going to want to miss our next adventure. We're heading back across the state to Riverview, Florida. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you in the next video.